Go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4.
I've had it up to here with you. No, I don't wanna be at your pity party. You've been running around your mouth just like a track star, telling all of your friends that it's been so hard when you're the one who said we were doing said you fell
Sailor half to the back.
You must think that I'm done.
Rocking chair.
You can call me a psycho, you can call me a liar, you can call me a arsonist.
Here it comes.
Set you on fire. You can call me a mess and say what you like. You can call me whatever you want, but don't call me a liar. No, don't call
Rocking chair and pivot to the front.
1-800
Boy, just stop.
Baby, that's the number you should really be dialing, 'cause you know I won't pick up. And listen to you tell me that you miss me while you're crying, 'cause you've been running around your mouth just like a track star, telling all of your friends that it was my fault when you're the one who said you were done, said you fell out of love 'cause you're fresh out of love. You can call me a psycho, you can call me a liar, you can call me an arsonist, I should set you on fire. You can call me a mess and say what you like. You can call me whatever you want, but don't call me a liar. You can call me a psycho, you can call me a liar, you can call me an arsonist, I should set you on fire. You can call me a mess and say what you like. You can call me whatever you want, but don't call me a liar. Don't call me with that sad boy bullshit. Don't call me acting like you're sorry. Don't wanna hear your sad boy bullshit. Don't wanna hear the same old story.
Rocking chair.
You can call me a